Alrighty, so we have a problem with the Dodge. It's not starting. It was starting just fine, and then what happened is as it was running, it started sputtering real bad. And my first thought was, oh, maybe I'm out of fuel. Because, you know, in old cars, halfway mark maybe isn't the best thing, especially for something that's 40 years old. But I went deeper, and I filled it up with gas, made sure the carb was getting enough fuel, and this is still what's happening. Alrighty, so we turn on the ignition, and then we try to start it. That was actually a little weird. It hasn't done that. It almost seemed like it wanted to start up. Hold on, let me get over here and press down the throttle. Nope. Alrighty, so that's what would happen. It just kept starting and starting and starting. And what I also noticed is, as it started to sputter, I noticed that there was a grounding issue happening right here. You could actually see the sparks of the electricity. And so it might be signs that the coil is bad because we're still getting spark to the actual plugs, just not enough spark. So I got a new coil while I was out. But there's one thing that I have realized, and that it's, oh wait, no, okay, it is the right size. Never mind then. Alrighty, so for this process, what I'm gonna do is disconnect the battery terminals, just that way I don't get shocked with anything. Even if the ignition switch isn't on, I still want to be cautious, so I'm gonna disconnect the battery terminals. Then what the next step is, and luckily for this is an external resistor right here. So I don't have to disconnect this. All I have to do is disconnect these two wires from this coil. We'll go ahead and just snap that off. So we'll disconnect these two wires, and then we'll connect the new coil to it. Alrighty, so I have the new coil installed. I got all the terminals hooked up, so hopefully this thing starts. Nah, that's a good sign. Let's keep, let's put some throttle into it, probably like half throttle. Oh yeah, let's go! Yeah! It's alive! Alrighty, well, simple fix, but it's crazy how that can cause so much of an issue. Well, till next time.